will show in detail. So this is door in door. It opens from here. So in this we have kept some mayonnaise, then essence, so this is a deep freezer. So there are trays of Solimo. It is from Amazon. And this is freezing zone. And this is also a freezing zone. And this is the ice container, which is a good thing. So we can control fridge temperature from here and from mobile also. So in that there is Hygiene Fresh. It is from Tupperware. There is the Hygiene Fresh machine. There is the Hygiene Fresh. It is not on yet. It is on now. And there are two modes: Hygiene Fresh and Hygiene Fresh Power. There is utility box. In that we can store milk, fruits, cheese, much more things. And there is the water container, in which we can fill water from here, or we can take out this. There is a butter case. In that we have butter. When you have cut your fruit in half and you want to seal it back, so we have put this silicone sealing. There is fresh balancer where you can keep fruits and vegetables. It is on vegetables. These are jute bags you can order from Amazon. It is of cotton. There is moist balancer. And this automatically closes. So it is open for more than 1 minute, so it's nice. So this is a touch screen, and this is a knock panel, like that. And this is the touch screen. We can connect with Wi-Fi, and we can lock also, like that way. Now we can do in cube. There is cubes, and we can do in crush also. It is crushed. So I keep my napkin handy.